Welcome back to Caddy Daddy Presents. I'm Gretchen, the Warehouse Operations Manager, and we are going to do the official test fit for our beautiful 1959 horn ring. First, we're going to have to pull the steering wheel so that we can assemble it over here on this table, and then we will put it on the car and see how it goes. We're going to put in the horn ring pieces. Oops, nope, not that. This one first. Fit that in. We have our decorative pieces. Put those right in there. Go ahead and attach. Oh, that fits nice. Pretty snug. Nicely aligned. That's good. It's gonna have a little wiggle to it right now until we get the spring put in and the button attached. But so far we're looking good on all our alignment here. I think we're ready to take this over and put it on the car.